Hey, good morning everybody. I hope everyone is safe, happy and well. I'm back today with an unboxing video, as you can see there. Sorry about my lack of content recently, but it's been so cold here. It's been unreal. So I've not been in the shed. It's the first time I've been in here in a couple of weeks. So apologies for that. So I've been buying again on eBay. I think my wife's going to end up changing the password before long, but let's dig in, let's take a look, and let's see what I've been buying. Let's take a look what we got. Box has arrived safely. This is a purchase from Rails of Sheffield, second hand. It was on their eBay page, so I made them an offer and they accepted it. We'll talk about price at the end of the video. Should have bought a knife. Well packaged. Let's get it out. Usual with compliments thing that you get from Rails of Sheffield. I've bought quite a few bits from Rails of Sheffield over the years. Never had a bad buy from there, and they do sell quite a bit of HO scale stuff as well, which is good for me. Get rid of that box. And that, let's get that in shot there. It's what I've bought. Some Roco limestone wagons. They look really nice. Box is a little bit poor, but hey. What I'll do now is I'll take some photographs, put them on your screen so you can see them a bit more clearly. They're in really good condition. Let's take one out. And a little bit of running, but not a lot. They move, look. Do they roll okay? What a bit of oil on them. Yeah, really pleased with those. Let's get the next one out. There's quite a bit of detailing. I hate getting stuff out of this packaging. So yeah, they've got ballast loads. Well, limestone loads, I should say. They've been run for a while. There's not a mark on them. Got those hateful couplings. I need to change those. Really nice, really well detailed. That one spins a bit better. That one's a bit of oil on that one. But yeah, well happy. So I've coupled up my new wagons to my 218 Deutsche Bahn locomotive. Now, before anyone says anything, yes, I realise that my new wagons are of a Dutch livery and that my train is of a German livery. Do I care? Not in the slightest. I buy what I like. If I see something, I like it, I buy it. Doesn't matter to me whether it's French, German, Belgian, British. I just buy what I like to run and what I like to see on my layout. So, price, what did I pay for my wagons? Well, these were second hand, as I said, from Rails of Sheffield, and they had them advertised at £50 for all three, and I offered them 46 and they accepted. So that's what, just over £15 each per wagon, which when you think about it, really, with current prices, isn't a bad price at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'll leave you guys with some running shots of these wagons going around my layout. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please hit that like button, it helps me out. And I will see you all again on the next one.